Let's talk about rational theory. In the idea that people make decisions, including decision to commit a crime by weighting the pros and cons. According to this theory, people choose action that they believe will give them more benefits and least risk. Let's talk about its example. Imagine someone thinking about robbing a store. They might consider the reward money against the risk getting caught or going to jail. If they think the chances of getting away are high, they might choose to commit the crime, seeing it is a rational choice. It's, rational thinking is like a person or a criminal think about the pros and cons before committing the crime, like he knows that is it beneficial to commit crime or not. Let's talk about a different type of crimes. First one is instrumental crime. Instrumental crime are committed with the specific goal or purpose in mind, usually to gain something tangible like money or property. People who commit instrumental crime consider the reward and risk before acting, since they are focused on getting a benefit. Examples: robbing is an instrumental crime because the person committed to get money or valuable. First one, another one is expressive crime, driven more by emotions like anger, frustration, or jealousy rather than for a clear goal. Expressive crime are often unplanned and happen in the heart of the moment. The person may not think carefully about the consequence because they are acting on a strong feeling. What are the examples of this one? A flight that starts because someone feels insulted in an expensive crime, as it is done out of emotion rather than for any practical gain. Let's talk about another theory. This is the routine activity theory. It explains crime by looking at everyday activities and conditions that make crime more likely. According to this theory, a crime happens when three things come together. First one, a motivated offender, someone who is willing to commit a crime, like a person looking for an easy target. Another one is a suitable target, someone that looks like an easy or valuable target for crime, such as unlocked car, home with no security, or a person with expensive item. The another one is a lack of capable guardian. There is a no one around who can stop the crime, like a security guard, camera, or even a neighbor who might are eye catching. The example: imagine a bicycle left outside a store without a lock. A person who wants to steal it then easily steal it. Let's talk about another thing: the crime presentation through environmental design. It is an approach that focuses on designing space to make crime less likely to happen. This idea is to create a physical environment that discourages criminal behavior while encouraging soft and positive use of the space. What are the criticism of presentation through environmental design? First one is limited impact on serious crime. It's like it's often more effective for reducing minor crimes like vandalism, theft, but may have a less impact on serious violent crime, which may be more influenced by a social and economic factor than physically alone. Another one is cost and accessibility. Impacting CPD strategies can be expensive, which might limit access from the low income communities. This could create inequalities where weather areas have a soft design while poorer areas struggle to implement the some level of crime prevention. Another one is risk and actuarial criminology, our approach in a criminal justice that focus on assessing and managing the risk of future criminal behavior rather than just reacting to post crime. The the another one is risk assessment. In the risk based criminology, people in the criminal justice system like police try to figure out how likely a person is to commit a crime again. Second one is risk management. Once a risk level is set, decisions are made to manage it. For example, a high risk individual might get more supervision or specific program to reduce their chances of committing another crime. The criticism approach of risk and its criminology are reduction of individual to data, risk of bias, neglect of rehabilitation, and privacy concerns.